friends! Welcome po sa kusina ni Bibay. So for today's recipe, tayo po ay gagawa ng sweet and sour na cream Dori. So ito po yata yung pinsa ni Nemo at ni Finding Dory. Pakicheck na lang po yung ating ingredients sa ating description sa ibaba. So una, ating pong hahatiin ang ating cream Dori ng bite size. And now we will put 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or patis. And then lalagyan po natin siya ng ground black pepper. And then hahaluin po natin siyang mabuti. Then kung bago po kayo sa channel namin, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Kusina ni Bibay. After this, we will set this aside. Then we will prepare 2 eggs. Then imimix po natin siya sa 1/2 cup of cornstarch and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Then imimix po natin siya mabuti. Bali, ito pong mixture na to ang magiging batter ng ating cream Dori mamaya. And then we will put 1/4 cup of water. Then ganito na po ang itsura niya after natin siyang ma-mix mabuti. Then ihahalo po natin siya sa ating cream Dori. And then magpapainit na po tayo ng mantika para i-deep fry ang ating cream Dori. So i-deep fry lang po natin siya or almost deep fry until maging golden brown yung kulay niya. And then we will set this aside para po mag-prepare na tayo para gumawa ng sauce. We will mix the following ingredients: 1 and 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then susundan po natin siya ng 1/4 cup of sugar. Then 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Next is 1/4 cup of vinegar o suka. And then 1/4 cup of pineapple juice. Next is 1/4 cup of ketchup. And then we will add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Last but not the least, lalagyan po natin siya ng black ground pepper. And then, hahaluin po natin siya mabuti. Then, we will prepare 3 cloves of garlic. Minced po natin siya. Then, mag-chop po tayo ng 1 carrot. Then, 2 medium size of onions. Next is we will cut 1 red bell pepper, 1 thumb of ginger, and 1 green bell pepper. Ikakat lang po natin siya na maliliit. Now maglalagay po tayo ng 2 tablespoon of cooking oil. Then we will add our onions. Then now, susunod po natin ang ating garlic. Then we will add our ginger o ating luya. So igigisa po natin sila. Then we can now add our carrots. So igigisa lang po natin ito hanggang sa maluto ang ating carrots. And then we will add our green bell pepper. Then kasunod po nito ang ating red bell pepper. Don't forget to subscribe. Then by this time, pwede na po nating ilagay ang ating pineapple chunks. Bali, every vegetable po na inilagay natin is meron silang 15 seconds interval. And now, we can now add yung sauce na ginawa natin kanina. Mimix lang po natin ito hanggang sa medyo lumapot na at pag po siya kumulo na. Then now we can add our fish. Bali, pag nilagay po natin yung ating fish is mahina lang po yung apoy. Then hindi po natin siya lulutuin na matagal para po ma-maintain natin yung crispiness ng ating isda. Then, lalagyan na po natin siya ng black ground pepper. Saka po sesame seeds. So, after putting our sesame seed, haluin lang po natin siya ng kaunti and then it's ready to serve. We hope that you like our recipe for today at kusina ni Bibay. Ito po ang sweet and sour na cream dory. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, enjoy cooking.